I've laid them out for you in your notes for you. So, starting with our analogy of the creative scale, if you watch the first two modules, we had the creative scale, okay, which is the chromatic scale, okay, the creative scale, all right? It has no beginning or ending. All of these symmetrical scales have no really ending or starting point, okay? And then the two whole tone scales, like I said, okay? Now that creator created Eve and Adam, or Adam and Eve, okay? Which are opposite polarities, and those are your two whole tone scales, okay? So Adam, starting on A, then those are composed of whole steps, okay? And off of E, okay? Those are whole steps. And if you've practiced those, you're familiar with those. Now let's get into the trinity of diminished. Now, the chromatic scale is all half steps. Now, the whole tone scales are whole steps. Now, your trinity of diminished scales are composed of whole, half, alternating intervals. Okay? And depending on what note you start on, you can either form it starting with a half step first or a whole step first. Okay? Remember that. Okay, so if you start with a half step first, the formula is going to be half, whole, half, whole, half, whole, half, whole. And if you start with the whole step first, the formula is going to be whole, half, whole, half, whole, half, whole, half. 8 notes. Okay? Now, these three diminished scales have a direct relationship with four groups or four families or four tonalities, okay? And I'm going to show you those right now. So let's start with Eve. So we'll start on E, sticking with our creation story, because you're going to be a creator in music. If you're going to be an improviser, you got to learn these systems so that you can master them, and then it's all going to flow out of you. But let's go through the technical part, and then we'll get to the fun part, which is learning how to really blow on this stuff and really use this and assimilate it into your being so that you become a creator, okay?